To get started, open a web browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge and go to google.com. Sign into Google or create a free account. Next, in the top right corner is a Google waffle icon. Click on it to display apps. We will be using the Calendar app. Click on it to open a new calendar. In the left panel, you will see other calendars. Click on the plus icon to create new calendar. Name it My Calendar or something a little more creative. Then add a brief description and click Create Calendar. Once the calendar has been created, it will offer you the chance to configure your settings. Otherwise, hit the Settings back button to return to the calendar. You will see the calendar in the left panel. To create an event, click on the Create button. Consider starting with your school or work event. Add a title, change the date and time to reflect that event. Add any additional information, such as a description. Then click More Options to see other details. You can change the color of the calendar, and for events that repeat, such as school, change any settings that you see necessary, and then click Save. You should now see events on your calendar. Click on the View menu to see your calendar by the day, week, or month. Repeat these steps in order to add at least 2 to 4 more events to your named calendar. Pause to review and reflect on the calendar for how your time is spent. Does your calendar also account for academic and career activities? How will using a digital calendar help you manage your time more effectively? And why is it valuable to manage your time? A digital calendar is accessible on all your devices and is just one way to view and manage your time just a little bit better.